Hey guys, zpolt here. Welcome to my lab, and today we're gonna do a sound test slash blind test. And we have in our list ZS10 Pro, ZSN Pro, the CCA C10, the new Revonext QT5, and also the TRN IM1 Pro. So the first part will be a blind test, and also the second part will be the reveal and also the sound test, where I will put on the screen what IEM it is for you guys to sort of get a glimpse of how the IEM sounds like. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's start off with the blind test. So choose one IEM that you think is the best for you.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make. Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7.
So that is the blind test. So I'm pretty sure you have chosen one IEM already. So what is your favorite? Actually, comment down below what you chose. It will be really interesting what you chose in the A, B, C, D, E. So now we're gonna proceed with the sound test. So letter A is the ZSN Pro. Letter B is the ZS10 Pro. Letter C is the TRN IM1. Letter D is the CCA C10. And letter E is the Revonext QT5. And now we're gonna do the sound test now, and I'm gonna put the IEMs on the screen.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make. Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7.
Okay, so that is the sound test and also blind test of this 5 IEMs. So let me know down below what you chose in the end. What is your favorite after the sound test and also after the blind test? What did you choose? It will be interesting to sort of know what you have chosen here in this blind test and also sound test. And hopefully this kind of sound test also lets you have a glimpse of the IEMs and how it sounds like. Maybe it will help you to make your purchase decision. Of course, if you are gonna make a purchase decision, use my links below. It will help out the channel a lot. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.